You have desires and needs, hopes and dreams. We will find the perfect home for you. We help people move every day. Our agents help you to buy, rent, let, or sell your property the way you want and keep the process smooth and hassle-free. As part of a global network of over 7,000 offices and 120,000 agents in more than 65 countries, we help people with their property needs all over the world. The opportunities for you within the RE/MAX family are truly immense. Whatever your next move is, make it with RE/MAX. Choosing RE/MAX means you choose success.